Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again, Fin Advisor. Today we'll be mid-cap funds, and mid-cap funds is a category more suitable for an aggressive investor, someone who is looking beyond large-cap funds. So let's get started. So what you see on the screen is Value Research Online, where I've filtered it the mid-cap funds for 4-star and 5-star, and we'll compare it with Money Control and Morningstar. As a first step to get the initial shortlist of funds. So if you see 5-star, there are two funds, Axis and PGIM India Mid Cap, and there are multiple 4-star funds. Let's look at Money Control. Uh, Axis and PGIM India Mid Cap are two 5-star funds, and then there are multiple 4-star. DSP is rated 3-star here. Morningstar, if we go, Axis again is 5-star. PGM, let's quickly check. It's 4-star. What else is 5-star? So if I'm DSP mid cap is 5-star. Okay, so we'll have three funds which will keep in initial shortlist: Axis mid cap, DSP mid cap, and PGM India mid cap. Next, we'll check the AUM. So for Axis and DSP, it's quite high, somewhere close to 10,000 crores, while for PGIM, it is significantly low. So that's a red flag that we should keep in mind. Next, we'll check the returns. So let's go to returns tab. We'll click on long term. 3-year and 5-year returns look quite good for Axis, somewhere close to 20%, followed by PGIM also, it's quite good. DSP on the other side is not that good. Let's look at annual returns. We'll check for last 4 years. So 2017 was quite good for Axis compared to other two, 2018 as well, 2019 as well. In 2020, PGIM did significantly well than the other two. So overall, Axis performance in the past has been quite good compared to the other two, DSP and PGIM. Let's look at the risk metrics. So in terms of risk metrics, the risk and return grade, Axis mid cap, it is low risk, and return grade is high, while for DSP it is low and above average. For PGM it is average and high. So I think in terms of overall, it looks Axis is better. Let's again validate this with other parameters. In terms of standard deviation, which is a measure of risk, uh, Axis has much lower standard deviation compared to DSP and PGIM. So it is taking much lower risk. Sharp ratio is much higher, which signifies that it is giving much higher return. Sortino is also much higher than the other two. Alpha is also quite high. Uh, PGIM is comparable, but DSP is quite low. So overall, again, Axis mid cap seems to be more favorable here. Let's quickly look at the manager and tenure. In terms of manager and tenure, all three funds have more than 3 years, so that's not a concern. Shares there for more than 4 years. Even here also we have more than 3 years, and PGM also more than 3 years. So that's a reliable thing. We'll just quickly check the expense ratio next. So in terms of expense ratio, Axis has the lowest expense ratio, while this DSP is quite high and PGIM is comparable, but Axis has the lowest. So again here Axis seems to be doing better. So we've done all these steps. One final step is more for an advanced investor, is to check the stock quality. So let's look at the portfolio of stocks that each fund is investing in, starting with Axis mid cap. Some of the top equity that it is investing in is Cholamandalam, Voltas, Astral, PI, and Avenue Supermarts, HDFC Bank. If we look at DSP, Cholamandalam, Infosys, Supreme Industries, Manappuram Finance, IPCA. Let's look at PGIM. It's quite different. So Mindtree, Coforge, Cholamandalam, Max Financial Services, Federal Bank. So if you compare these three, there is significant variation of equities, and that's because in mid cap fund category, you have lot more pool of equities to select within. So that's why the variation is quite huge compared to large cap funds. So as an advanced investor, you can also look at what are the top equities that a fund is investing in, and then you can do individual research on each of these equity and just check whether you're more comfortable with which of the funds. So this is a step only for an advanced investor. If you're not comfortable with this step, you can otherwise also do the earlier step and reach to the best fund. So we have now come to the end of the video. To summarize, Axis Midcaps looks the best of the lot, followed by PGIM India Midcap and DSP Midcap. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, we would request you to please subscribe to the channel and share with your family and friends for more such investment videos. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.